welcome to my channel. I am Deepika and today I'm back with the next module on direct and indirect speech. So today I'll be discussing with you the rules that is applicable according to the reported verb and the reported speech. So let us see what it is. If you look at the screen, you will see that I have written reported verb and reported speech. So first we are going to find out what is the reported verb and what is the reported speech. Look here, look at this sentence. He said, the teacher teaches me. Alright, so if we try to find out the reported verb here, the reported verb is going to be he said. Remember, in a sentence, whenever we say he asked, he said, he told, whoever is doing what, asking, saying, telling, becomes the reported verb. And what is the reported speech? It's very simple. Entire thing is the reported speech. What is speech? We know it is a dialogue. So yes, this is the dialogue that he said, the teacher teaches me. Therefore, reported speech is the entire sentence. Now, when we change it to indirect speech, what do? We remember from the last module that we have to change it to past tense, since the reported speech is also in past tense. So what do? He said, this remains same, that the teacher teaches will change to taught, that is past tense, right? And me, who's me here? He. So he will change to him. You need to remember the change of pronouns. This is the most important thing in direct and indirect speech. So let us see once again what I did with this sentence. Reported verb is brought here. He said, same, there's no change. Then we remove the commas, we use that, right? And then the will come here. The capital letter of the is removed because we are removing the inverted commas as well. And then we write the, teacher remains the same, teachers becomes taught, past tense, and me changes to him because it is he. So this is the rule of changing direct to indirect speech. Now we will see a different sentence where the reported verb is in a different tense. We always see that the reported verb most of the times is in past tense. But in this sentence you will see reported verb is in present tense. She says, I love reading books. What do we do in this case? Remember, since it is in present tense, the entire sentence is going to be in present tense in indirect speech. Alright, she says that she loves reading books. Why love becomes loves? Because I, the first person, changes to she. She loves reading books. So these are the two variants that I showed you today based on the reported speech. So based on the reported speech, remember, based on the reported verb, you should always remember the reported speech changes. So the next point that I want to discuss is universal truth. In universal truth, what happens is we do not change the tense at all. What is universal truth? The truth that can never change. So the truth that can never change is universal truth. So what happens in this one is the direct speech has something which is universally true. But when we change it to the indirect speech, the tense does not change. But yes, we do have changes. What are those? They are the change of commas, the change of pronouns, that's all. But the tense remains the same. It is in present because we cannot change it. For example, the truth that can never change. Our teacher said, the sun rises in the east. So the thing that the sun rises in the east, can we change it? No, it is going to rise from the east all the time. We cannot change it. So our teacher said the sun rises in the east. It would be same, our teacher said. We copy this. We remove the commas and we use that. And then the comes here. The capital letter of T changes to small letter. And sun rises in the east. That's it. It is as simple as that. We are not going to put any changes of tense. Only the commas are removed. That's it. If you look at another example, it will be more clear. Let's see. My friend said, honesty is the best policy. So we'll just copy the same. My friend said, remove the commas, use that. Honesty comes here with small h. Why? Because there are no inverted commas. No inverted commas, so it will be in small letter. Honesty is the best policy. The inverted commas are removed. And the tense remains the same. The tense here as well remains the same. So this is the concept of universal truth in direct and indirect speech. I believe you have understood these small basic rules that is very important in direct and indirect speech. If you have liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and like it. Soon I will be back with another module of direct and indirect speech. Thank you and have a good day.